7 days ago, I started posting YouTube shorts on another channel with a goal to monetize it within 90 days. In this video, I am going to show you everything about it, and finally the results of these 7 days. I didn't create a new channel for this, as I already had a channel that I created earlier, but was not posting any videos. Day 1. I started to find a suitable niche for my channel that could make it viral. After some research, I decided to go with quiz videos, and specifically chose would you rather type videos and country guessing videos. Then, I created the videos with the help of ChatGPT and Canva and started posting. Now it is time to show you the results. I posted in total of 13 videos over the next 7 days that got me millions of views. Kidding. But my videos were pushed to the Shorts feed from the first day I posted. On day 1, the videos got 2,231 views, which motivated me initially, and I kept working on this. Day 2. I posted only one short and the views were also down on that day as well as the next day, where I got only 236 views. So I kept posting 2 shorts a day for the rest of the time. And suddenly, on day 4, I got 10,491 views, which is basically from this particular video that go almost 10,000 views. The next 2 days, I got about 6,000 and 5,000 views. But on the final day of the week, my videos suddenly stopped getting into the Shorts feed much. So in these 7 days, I got in total of 24.3k views and gained 33 subscribers. I am quite happy with this result, and I'm not going to stop here. I will keep posting on this channel, and my next target is to make a 30 days uploading streak. I will create similar videos that got me the most views, and after 30 days, I will share the results with you guys. Till then, stay with Bun.